Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by reading the polynomial closely. Identify its degree and leading coefficient because these control end behavior. Next, list all real zeros and note multiplicities. This matters for crossing versus touching. Once done, sketch the basic left/right ends. Even degree means same direction ends, odd degree means opposite direction ends. Positive leading coefficient raises right end, negative lowers it. Make these decisions first, so every later step fits the global shape of the graph. Now you factor and solve for zeros. Apply the rational root theorem or synthetic division to test candidates. As you confirm each zero, check its multiplicity. Odd multiplicity produces a cross through the axis. Even multiplicity produces a touch and turn. That's why behavior near roots differs. Then compute the y-intercept and pick sample x values in each interval between zeros to get local heights. This fills in the midgraph detail and keeps your sketch accurate. Finish by plotting zeros, the y-intercept, and your sampled points, then connect them with a smooth curve that respects end behavior and multiplicity shapes. Once complete, inspect for continuity and correct crossings or touches at each root. If something looks off, recheck factoring and multiplicities and recompute one or two sample values. Arithmetic errors are the usual culprit. Make sure the graph aligns with degree-driven ends and local behavior before calling it done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.